just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service, and we're proud to say, according to our reviews, we're doing a great job. We work hard to ensure our customers are happy and satisfied with the work we do for them, and we'll work hard for you too. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen, and we hope to see you soon.